When there are two or more possible delta which conform to the definition, the one nearest to the core is chosen. Is this statement true or false? Answer: true. The delta is placed upon or within the innermost sufficient recurve. Is this statement true or false? Answer: false. Other human characteristics change, fingerprints do not. Is this statement true or false? Answer: true. He devised the anthropometric system of identification. Answer: Alphonse Bertillon. In his philosophical transaction, he presented his observation on the appearance of the ridges on the fingers and palms. Answer: Dr. Nehemiah Grew. It involves scratching, itching, burning and branding, or superficially cutting designs, pictures, or words into the skin as a permanent body modification or body art. Answer: scarification. A system of identification based on the measurements of the various body structure of the human body. Answer: anthropometry. No two fingerprints have ever been found alike in many billions of human and automated computer comparisons. Is this statement true or false? Answer: true. The first forensic professional organization is. Answer: International Association for Identification. What do you call the separating or spreading apart of two ridges that were previously running parallel side by side? Answer: divergence. What kind of pattern has two deltas in which one ridge makes a turn through one complete circuit? Answer: plane whirl. Study smarter, not harder. Under the syllabi or table of specification, 18 items or questions will be sourced from personal identification.